Hello everyone, my name is Richard Huang. I am responsible for international business in Henan Jianyun Cables Corporation Limited. This is our international sales office. We set up our company in 2009 with more than 15 years experience. We can provide you electrical wire and power cable with pure raw materials. Now, let me introduce you some of our products. This is the electrical wire for household, and these are the electrical power cable. The main components of this cable are copper conductor, XLPE insulation, and PVC jackets or sheaths. ACSR, the full name is Aluminum Core Steel Reinforcement. They are applied in the overhead line power transmission. Our products are well sold in the global market, such as Switzerland, Tajikistan, Cambodia, Jamaica, and so on. We satisfy our customer. If you need our products, please feel free to contact us immediately. We will provide you quality products with best price. Thank you.